Welcome to the Author's Guidebook, where writers learn how to survive and succeed on YouTube without getting lost in the maze. If you're an author trying to share your stories, grow your audience, or earn from your work, you've probably already discovered that YouTube isn't built with writers in mind. In fact, it's surprisingly easy for authors to get sidelined, demonetized, or overlooked simply because we play by different rules. This channel exists to change that. In every episode, we break down exactly what works, what doesn't, and what other creators won't tell you so you can avoid the hidden traps, protect your channel, and finally build the writing career you deserve. Let's begin.
YouTube search isn't magic. It's pattern matching, context reading, and language processing. When you write a description for your video, you're not trying to hack anything. You're simply giving YouTube the clearest signal possible about what your story is. Today we're going to build descriptions, hashtags, and metadata the right way, ethically, safely, and without using any hacks or exaggerated claims. This is episode 5, how to help YouTube understand your content so it can send it to the right viewers. A good description does 3 jobs. First, tell YouTube what the content is. Not persuasion, not marketing tricks, but pure clarity. If it's a romance audiobook, say that. If it's a mystery, say that. If it's sci-fi, say that. Second, tell the viewer what they're about to feel. Not spoilers, just tone, mood, and themes. And third, provide navigation. Links to playlists, links to your channel, and a brief reminder of where this story belongs. A description is not a pitch, it's context. You can write every description using this 3-part structure: the hook, the story context, and the channel anchor. The hook is emotional, atmospheric, and spoiler-free. Examples include, in the quiet corners of Oxford, one student carries a secret heavier than any book he studies. Or, 2 lovers in a rain-soaked city make impossible sacrifices neither will ever know. Short, intriguing, human. Next, the story context, which is 3 to 6 sentences. Explain the setup, the tone, and the themes. This gives YouTube categorization data, safely and honestly. Finally, the channel anchor, 1 to 2 sentences. This directs viewers to the right playlist. Examples: this story is part of the romance playlist, or you can find more mysteries here. This keeps users on your channel without making any promises. Tags are not for viewers, they're for YouTube's machine learning. They help correct small spelling errors, clarify niche categories, and reinforce genre labels. They do not boost ranking, they simply improve accuracy. Use tags like romance audiobook, emotional love story, Oxford story, class divide, short story, heartfelt fiction. Include both the hashtag version and the comma-separated version in your description if you prefer. Both are safe and common. Never write, "This story will make you cry," guaranteed to boost your channel, or "This will get you more hours." Also avoid, "This trick gets more views," "You will earn," or "You must like and subscribe." These violate YouTube's advertiser-friendly guidelines because they promise results or impose requirements. Your descriptions must always stay grounded, factual, and emotional, not predictive. Metadata should feel like a librarian wrote it. Imagine a librarian filing your story on a shelf. Ask yourself, what genre? What tone? What themes? Where does it belong? You're not trying to game the system. You're simply telling YouTube, this is what this story is. Please shelve it correctly. YouTube does the rest. When your metadata is consistent, YouTube sees your channel as authoritative in your genre, and playlists become more meaningful. Suggested videos become more aligned, viewer retention increases naturally, and your channel feels cohesive. This is the long, steady path to a strong presence. No tricks, no shortcuts, just clarity and integrity. And your story is doing what only stories can do. For your next video, write a 2-3 sentence hook, add a short atmospheric story context, and anchor it to a playlist. Use clear, honest tags. Simple, clean metadata will support your content in the long term. In episode 6, we'll talk about creating audience-friendly thumbnails. Emotional, readable, realistic for story channels, and never misleading. Thank you for watching the Author's Guidebook, where writers learn to navigate YouTube with confidence, clarity, and real-world strategy. If today's episode helped you, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell. It helps this channel reach more authors who need the same guidance. New episodes are released regularly, each one designed to make your journey easier. Step by step, lesson by lesson. Until next time, keep writing, keep creating, and keep building the future you want.